So the feature that I want to show you how to make right now is voting inside of your app, aka liking, upvoting, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be using the model kind of like Reddit, where you can go and you can click upvote and you get this catalog of all the upvotes. Although it's actually going to be a little more like Hacker News, where you can click to vote for something, and then if you voted for it, you can also click to unvote it, and it tallies the total number of points for an article. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm actually using a gem called Acts as Votable. And what the Acts as Votable for Rails gem does is it lets you have any model be voted on, liked or disliked, upvoted, etc. And it does it using some pretty nice methods like this. And you can count all the votes for something, and it basically just creates a new votes table in your app and then exposes all of these methods. So just like with most gems, we can copy this and paste it into my gem file. Now I already have my app running in the background. I've got a terminal window running, and so it's open here. I'll open a new tab and I'll actually run bundle install to install this gem. And in fact, I will shut down my server in the background so that I can restart it once the gem is actually installed. Let's get this going again. And now our server is running. And now I'll run this Rails generate Acts as Votable migration in here. And what this is going to do is it's basically going to generate a migration that I need to be able to vote on something. So I can check on this, and I see this creates a new votes table with a votable and a voter. Again, if you followed along with the follower exercise, you'll see the language is kind of similar here. We have votable and voter, and it's polymorphic, which means that this can be literally any kind of model you have. And there's a few other things, vote flag, vote scope, vote weight. By default, the weight's going to be 1. The flag says whether it's positive or negative. The scope is, lets the vote be included within a certain group, but we won't be using that for right now. And then once you've done that, you can run Rails db migrate to actually have this table migrated into your database. So now that we've done that, in the next video, I want to show you how you can actually use these functions to do the voting inside your app.